Okay, the third option is taking vitamins and minerals. Why not, right? It's a few pills. It's a little different than taking a teeny tiny pill and it's over. One of these pills is MSM. It's an organic sulfur, and what it does is it stops pain impulses along nerve fibers. So it acts like a pain medicine. MSM is sulfur, all right? Eggs. Eggs have sulfur, all right? And we find that as we age, we lose a lot of this in our joints, okay? So you have, it has anti-inflammatory actions, so it combats things like arthritis, fibromyalgia, carpal tunnel. Anybody here have carpal tunnel? No? Okay, good. You're not on the computer enough, which is good. You're on the computer. Okay, so it increases blood flow, decreases muscle spasms, and maintains cartilage. Who wouldn't want to maintain your cartilage at this age, right? Or even at any age, you know? Magnesium, it's important for energy production. It almost acts like an enzyme, especially in your heart. Okay, it's really important. Helps nerve function, promotes muscle relaxation. So you don't want your heart in muscle in spasms. If you're having spasms up here, what do you think your heart's doing? Do you know what I'm saying? You really have to look at a bigger picture here. It's not just going on in your neck and upper back. And by the way, if you're having spasms in your neck and upper back, out of your neck comes, there's an area up here where 360 million nerves come through, all right? And they govern everything from your vision, to your digestion, to your heart, to your hormone balance. I mean, it's everything. So it's really important that this area stay very clear, because that's so that the brain can communicate with the rest of the body. Okay, there's magnesium's involved in the formation of bones and teeth, clotting of the blood, and heart rhythm. So you can use magnesium to treat back pain, hypertension, depression, anxiety, muscle cramps, and headache. God, that's a nice solution. That's better than aspirin. It won't make you bleed. Okay, calcium also facilitates the nutrients across cell membranes. So this mineral helps nerves communicate normally and helps with muscle contractions. And it's also associated with pain. So niacin dilates blood vessels, so it has anti-inflammatory properties and helps calm joints and inflammation, especially with things like arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis. And it also helps flexibility, pain, and swelling. Niacin, all right, so that's an easy one. All right, glucosamine, chondroitin. So what that does is it actually builds up the joint, the cartilage inside the joint. So what it does is it regenerates the cartilage, all right? The chondroitin, although it's up here, it hasn't clinically been seen to be as useful. So just get the glucosamine. And just so you know, you don't take just like a 500 milligram pill. You really want to take a big dose of it, okay? So it's more like 6,000, so like 6 grams. So it'd be, if it's a 1,000 milligram pill, you want to take 6 of them. You have to take a bit of these, all right? Vitamin E has been suggested for rheumatic disorders. I don't like vitamin E too much, especially if you've got blood pressure problems, because it can raise blood pressure, okay?